AI is changing everything. Web and app design, graphic design, businesses of all sorts. You could ignore it, but you're gonna be left behind. You can't rely on one single tool like Figma, Photoshop, or even ChatGPT. You need a life skill that you can depend on. And that's what I'm gonna help you with. You're gonna get skills that will make you thrive, not just survive. And here's the thing, I don't like the AI hype. The overwhelming feeling that things are changing every single day at a rapid pace. But that's why my courses are different. I'm a designer at heart, so I strip away all of that complexity, all those complicated terms, and I'm gonna give you the concrete stuff that you have to do today that you can use right now. And you have three big paths. You can learn how to use AI to build websites or mobile apps. And I'm gonna teach you how to work with Claude Code, Cursor, Windsurf, which is now called Devon, and it's all practical, all without any previous experience, and you're gonna learn through fun exercises. This is beginner friendly. You can learn how to be a great freelancer and make clients love you. More than that, I'm gonna teach you exactly how to get clients without spending a fortune on bids on Upwork or Freelancer or getting ignored. No, and you're gonna learn how to use AI to create stunning designs. They're not gonna be ready 100%, you gotta do the last 20%, but yeah, that's really gonna help. And on this platform, you can learn how to be an entrepreneur from someone who started from absolutely nothing in a former communist country. I'm gonna teach you how to start an online store, how to use paid ads, how to optimize the website to get more sales, the works, everything from A to Z. And here's the great part. Everything is included in one plan, so you don't have to choose one of these paths. Everything is beginner friendly and available 24/7. Hey there, I'm Chris Barron. I'm an Adobe Certified Instructor, web and app designer, and entrepreneur. You can find out all about me on this page. In short, I've walked the walk. I've been a freelancer, I've paid my rent through web design projects, I've built several companies with the help of these skills from these courses, and I'm happy to help you achieve your goals. You can check my stats. Over 300,000 paying students on Udemy, 45,000 reviews and counting, over $800,000 per year in revenue from this company that I just exited from, over 100 million downloads for my Android apps, author of the book 1 Million from Photoshop. Now I'm telling you all this so that you know that my experience is solid. It's not to be arrogant or boast. I'm not someone who's making most of his money from courses. It's actually real experience. And that's actually the value of this course. Now the content itself, this is fantastic. But more than that, you get direct access to me. Be it on live chat where it's actually me, not a bot, or on the monthly calls where I can help you with just about anything that's on your mind. Portfolio, finding clients, exploring business ideas, and much more. All the experience that I've gathered over the years. Start today and get life skills that you can depend on in this AI future where everybody is scared about losing their job and there's a lot of anxiety in the air. I'm gonna help you find your path so you can be confident that you're gonna do great in the years to come. Let's get started.